Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI P10 Lite, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the section Security and Privacy. Then let's tap on More, which is at the very bottom of the list, and here we have to find Install Unknown Apps. And as you can see, here we've got some apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. Of course, you can always change it. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that in my case, Chrome is right now allowed to install some content. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. So choose the apps which you really know that they are okay. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.